It's a Tuesday morning. Supply chain costs are fluctuating, regional sales numbers are due in an hour, and as an executive, you need immediate answers to make a call that impacts the entire quarter. You're running SAP Business One. That means every transaction, inventory movement, and financial record is safely stored inside a centralized, highly secure database. The data is all there, but getting specific numbers out of that database is another story. You send an urgent request to IT, and then you wait. The technical team has to write a custom query, build a report, and send it back while the clock ticks down. Meanwhile, your finance team is dealing with their own traffic jam. Your highly trained accountants are spending hours manually typing data from complex accounts payable invoices and tax documents into the system, line by tedious line. You might think about using a standard AI chatbot to speed things up. But you can't exactly upload your company's sensitive financial history into a public cloud model. The security risks and potential privacy breaches make that a non-starter. What you actually need is a dedicated assistant, a tool that understands the specific language of your business, instantly parses your data, and never exposes your internal records to the public internet. When there is a gap between securely storing data and actually acting upon it, the data stays in the database, while the decisions that need it remain on hold. That's where IQ.AI comes in. It's an intelligence engine specifically designed to extend what SAP Business One can do. Think of it as a 24/7 assistant that lives directly inside your existing ERP environment. Let's say you're a CEO managing multiple business entities, and you need to compare sales between Company A and Company B. Normally, this requires pulling data from two entirely different databases and stitching it together. IQ.AI changes that workflow. Instead of writing code, you ask a question in plain English. The engine scans both databases simultaneously to build a single, unified view of your top-selling items across the entire organization. Behind the scenes, the AI writes the query and retrieves the data in real time. And because it strictly adheres to your existing user permissions, it automatically hides restricted columns if the person asking the question isn't authorized to see them. By handling the technical heavy lifting, the system bypasses the IT reporting queue entirely, giving leadership the exact insights they need in seconds. Now let's look at the finance department, where teams are buried under mixed, unstructured supplier invoices that require hours of manual sorting. IQ.AI includes a built-in file uploader. You can drop PDFs, scanned images, and CSV files directly into the interface. The AI reads the text within the document and identifies the context. It lifts specific fields right off the page, like the tax invoice number, vendor details, and individual line item prices, turning them into isolated data blocks. Those extracted blocks are then intelligently mapped and populated directly into the correct transaction fields inside SAP Business One. This process maintains human oversight. The system prepares the transaction and holds it for a final validation and approval by an authorized user. Most importantly, privacy routing ensures that these sensitive financial extractions never expose your internal data to public cloud models. By replacing manual data entry with rapid validation, your team recovers hours of highly paid labor every week. By clearing these specific logjams, questions that once waited days for an answer are now resolved in seconds. For the finance team, the daily routine shifts. Instead of acting as data encoders, they can spend their time analyzing the numbers and acting as strategic advisors to the rest of the company. For the C-suite, it means the ability to generate predictive insights on demand, making real-time decisions based on what's happening in the warehouse right now. It's conversational intelligence, automated file extraction, and smart analytics, all working within the secure boundaries of your ERP. IQ.AI bridges the divide between data and action. It turns static records into the momentum required for faster decisions, allowing your entire leadership team to work smarter.